Hello everyone, welcome to Techie Housewife. My name is Amy Vishwanatha and today I have an offer for you. Okay, I've set a goal for myself to reach 100 subscribers and you guys are the only ones who can help me do that. My husband also wants me to help me with that, so he said if I reach 100 subscribers, I can give away his beloved Game & Watch, which is still sealed in the package. He was planning on keeping this as a collector's item for quite a few years, but he has agreed to part with it to one of you lucky people. So please share this, hit like, and subscribe. You can hit the bell icon too, and leave a comment below. Each person who leaves a comment, I'm going to make sure that it is fairly done and your names will be gathered and put into a poll that will automatically select a name for me. I will let you guys know as soon as that happens, and I will also keep you guys updated on how it's going. So don't forget, this is the video you need to comment in if you would like to be entered into the contest. I'll let everyone know as soon as I hit 100 subscribers and the winner will be notified. I do appreciate you all and I hope you are enjoying the videos. And don't forget, if there's anything you would like to see, just let me know in the comments below. So don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. You can even hit the bell if you want to.